Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Monique Nicole. But if this is your first time tuning in and you just came in from Beauty by Mark's channel, hey girl, hey. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you check out all of my other videos. If you want to know more about this beautiful unit, make sure you stay tuned on how I got this laid. Make sure you're able to check out the inside of the cap construction and my thoughts on this beautiful wig.
Hey guys, how everybody doing? My name is Beauty by Mark. I have a channel here on YouTube as well. So today, as you guys can tell, I'm going to be collabing with Miss Monique Nicole, and I will tell you guys I'm a huge fan of hers. I think she is one of the most creative YouTubers in the wig community that I've seen in a while. I absolutely just love her. I feel like she's so authentic and she's so creative, and I absolutely just love that about her. And she has a great personality. She seems to be beautiful on the inside and on the outside, and I absolutely love that. I'm going to be showing you guys this wig that's up here, and if you guys want to get all the tea on it, and believe me you do, because I love this color, and you will want the tea on this wig, then come on over after you watch her video and click mine in the description box, and I will see you guys on the channel. Bye.
Hey y'all, so I have a new wig from shophairwigs.com. This is a wig that's been out for a little bit. This is Seraphine in the color 1B. This is from the Outre melted hairline. As y'all know, they have been killing it with these melted hairlines. Seems like it has a standard, packaging. This is how it looks. It has a fishnet to cover it and all this good stuff. So here is the stock card, and this is just showing you instructions. I actually really love this color, but it was out of stock, so of course can't go wrong with a 1B. So this is the lace. Y'all, I'm getting all caught up. So this is the lace on the hair. It is kind of light compared to my skin complexion, so I'm gonna have to put some foundation on there. Does have a standard cap construction, one on the right, one on the left with combs, one in the back with two adjustable straps with the elastic band for more security. So it does come with a middle part. So if you are not a middle part person, this wig is not for you. Or you could just buy the wig and shift it to the left or the right, make it work for you. And this is how the hair looks. It's very pretty. It feels really nice. It has like a blowout feel, like the silky Brazilian blowout feel. So it has some sort of coarseness, but it's more on the silky side. So I'm going to go ahead. I am going to put this baby on, and I'm going to come back with my final review. Back to you with my little bit of prepping that I do before I put the wig on. So I did go ahead and I did cut the lace. Nothing too special. Because the lace is light, I'm just going to take my L'Oreal C7 powder foundation, which is actually too dark for my skin tone, and use it underneath my cap where the lace is at. So all I do is I just flip it up and I just go to town. Make sure you get that paste, and then go ahead. Now, if you have tinting spray, go ahead and use that, but I ran out. So, I got to do it the old-fashioned way, And make sure that I get all the spots that is covered in lace. And then I'm going to put it on. So I'm just going to give you a brief preview of how it looks on without it glued down. So this is how it looks on without me doing any adhesive. So I'm just trying to make sure that my color is going to be bright. So definitely got to make sure I put some more here and around the perimeter. And then I'm going to come back and then I'm going to adhesive down with some bedhead. I think it's either the Got to Be Glued super like spray, because that's all I do. So I'm going to go back and do that. So hold on tight, y'all. Flex Insta Hold, this one right here. Now if y'all are just now tuning into my channel, I don't do a lot of maintenance on my wigs because I feel like the more you manipulate it, the shorter the lifespan of the wig. That's just my preference. So I'm just gonna do like a little spritz, like right here, and let it sit for a bit. Now the ear to ear tabs are a bit too long for me, so you can actually go ahead and cut it if you want, but here's my tip that I do. So I pull the hair back, I try to sit the lace down, you know, to catch some of the spritz while it's wet, bring down some of the baby hairs, and then this part right here is I just swoop it behind my ear like that, and then I just bring the hair forward. That's my little trick, y'all. It works, especially if you don't want like a super tight like grip on your lace. You just want something, you know, to like get you quickly, you know, through the day, especially if you know it's not going to be like a long day for you or a long night. So just catch it, bring down some of the baby hairs. Now I don't do like the whole gel down baby hairs. I like the wispiness of it. To me, it looks more natural. I love the way how the lace blends in with the addition of the with my foundation powder. I don't know why I couldn't think of that. But this is how the hair looks combed, like brushed out on this side. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to brush this side out. I'm not getting that much tangling. Once again, it is a 1B, so usually I don't get as much tangling with a 1B, 1 or 2 or 4 that I probably would get with like a blended color or a blonde. So that's that. So just a little bit, make sure I keep some of the bounce in there. Now I am going to go back and I am going to get my L'Oreal foundation, and I'm just going to take a smaller brush and I'm just going to use this just to define the part and get this part right here. Okay. All right, y'all. So that is my sleigh for Seraphine. And this is nice. Oh, okay. Now, like I said, I am a fan of Outre's melted hairline. I've tried a couple of them, so I'll try to post the link to those reviews in the description box below. But y'all know me, or if you don't know me because you're just now tuning into my channel, I love long hair. I just feel like it fits my body stature. This wig is definitely like big head friendly. Make sure you adjust the straps to fit your liking. It's very comfortable. It's breathable. It's secure. You don't have to manipulate it a lot for it to lay down unless you want to. It's your prerogative. This is like an all year, all round holiday season type of wig for me. Yes, I do wear long hair in the summertime, but because it is so lightweight, I would not have a problem with it. And I was a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie, because I've seen a couple of reviews on this unit, and you know, they were talking about how it was kind of thin and you know, just like other little tweaks here and there. For me to really like thick, luxurious hair, I'm not mad at this one because like I said, this is like an everyday all year round wig and definitely good for the workplace if you're still an essential worker, or if you gotta stay at home like me and hop on them Zoom calls and still look like you are slaying it. Definitely go ahead and get this wig. I wish I had somewhere to go now. You ever get a wig and you're like, dang, I don't got nowhere to go. Like, I feel like I'm just going to go out and do something because my face is beat and I have this beautiful wig on. And I feel like I might find my happily ever after today because of this wig. I don't know. Wishful thinking. Who knows what could happen in 2021. But yeah, go ahead. Check out this wig. They have a range of different colors. The 1B, you're definitely not going to go wrong with this hairstyle or color. For it to be a middle part, I absolutely love it because y'all already know I'm part of the 5-head committee, but I ain't mad at it. You know, I rock my forehead, okay? I rock it very well, and it is what it is. So go ahead and check them out. Now, I wouldn't say I have gotten any flyaways, any shedding, not really, maybe 1 or 2 strands. Like I said, there is a slight coarseness to this hair, so it's not all the way silky. And I just want to go in and I just want y'all to check out the parting. Check it out. Now, I know I could have did a better job on this, but because of the hair is being down, I'm not going to focus on that too much. So, yeah. Make sure y'all go ahead and check out shophairwigs.com. Make sure y'all check out Seraphine, because I know they were like flying off the shelves. So if you can go ahead and grab you one, grab 2. All right. So this is how the hair looks all in the front. This is how the hair looks on the left side. This is how the hair looks in the back. This is how the hair looks on the right side. So it definitely is giving you beautiful profile, side and back hair. Looks like I paid a pretty penny for this wig, and I did not. As y'all already know, this wig is not going to break your pocket. So if you are interested in this wig, I will definitely post a link to this hair in the description box below. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. Let me know if you already purchased it, and let me know your thoughts. Also, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out my next slay. Okay, y'all, make sure you stay beautiful, and every day you wake up in the year of 2021, tell yourself that this is your year. All right, bye.